Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing LCX, Underdog Stepping Up. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. You can check out Decent. They've got their products. They've got a biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the LCX in real time. Before we get on to the Underdog story in a moment, let's first see what's happening with the community. Then we can come and check this interesting story out in a moment. So let's see what's happening with the community first and the official X handle of LCX. This is 17 hours ago from LCX Moonboy. I think we're gonna see a hell of a ride for LCX towards $1 the week before Xmas. I mean, this is a bit ambitious, but we never know. You never know with these assets. When do they rally? When do they not? But if you truly believe in it, one should be accumulating any project, any project that one has a conviction hold in. We shouldn't be waiting before getting in. I mean, the rocket goes in the air suddenly. That's for sure. We've seen impulsive moves in a lot of projects, so we should be ready. But obviously, in only the projects that we have done our due diligence, we have researched well, and we have conviction in, be it LCX or any other projects, because none of it is financial advice. Obviously, guys, you have to research and have conviction in any project, but you have to be rational about it as well, and the timing should be good. This is December 9th. LCX bag holders be like, I really like these videos like these. A bit of fun never hurts. You cannot be serious all the time. So we need good, fun-loving community members as well to basically increase the level of the level of trust in a project. You also need to have that side of it, that you can have fun with a project, you can troll it or have memes about it. This is how you basically build a brand. December 6th, this is from Crypto Ken. This year I wish for $10 LCX token, a new tokenized asset, unveiling of the secret advisor. I've been a good boy. $10 LCX, I mean, that would be insane. Insane from the price point that LCX has grown. If you remember correctly, a few years ago, LCX, I think, had 3 zeros or 2 zeros, and if it goes to 10 zeros, then imagine the gains from those lows. If someone has had conviction since that time when LCX was so low, and he or she is holding it, and it reaches this price point, I mean, that is going to be a hell of a hold, a hell of a hodl, and remarkable gains, to say the least. So yeah, what else do we have? LCX is a great pick. Am I seeing LCX all over my timeline due to algorithm bias, or is it just all over CryptoX lately? The algorithm is also something that forces, but who knows? People might have been talking about it recently. 12 hours ago from Crypto Futuro. LCX, the volatility in the chart reads full send imminent. Let's hope so. In the short term, LCX has performed really well as well. LCX finding out will be at Davos 2025. The Davos event has proven to be optimistic for LCX, that's for sure. Okay, December 6th, December 12th. I don't think people realize the true potential of LCX. This thing will soar past $1 in the upcoming months. Many people don't even realize this is quite the contender in the RWA sector. Bullish is an understatement. Not only RWA sector, the real world assets tokenization, it is an exchange, it is trying to tokenize, it is trying to disrupt the tokenization sector. Trying to become the validator, a guarantor. It is trying to do so many things. It is trying to become the launch pad as well. So a lot of things that LCX is trying to do in different segments of crypto and finance in general. So let me show you this post over here from none other than Monty Metzger. While Binance left Cardano hanging, this underdog exchange just stepped up to save the day. Following Binance's missed opportunity at the Cardano summit, LCX positions itself as the go-to exchange for native tokens. Folks, if you remember correctly, Solana was going through a lot of outages. It was the sentiments were really low. It was falling. It was plummeting. At that time, people said that Solana is dead, and all of a sudden, we saw the activity of Solana pick up. You saw how Solana reached all-time highs, and when it did, you might remember the Solana memes and Solana tokens, guys. They really took off, and these were the tokens that were generating really insane level of volume. So now, if we talk about Cardano, obviously, the sentiments aren't as positive as they were before a few years ago. But these are the times when association with a good brand it benefits a lot of these projects that do not yet have that do not have that sound foundation yet in terms of community, in terms of exposure. Because I think if we compare it to Binance, obviously at the moment LCX is indeed an underdog. A lot of people in this industry do not know about it yet. So associating itself with a project like Cardano that is a brand in the making, or at least a potential brand in the making, I think this is a really good step. And LCX listing the Cardano tokens at this point is really great, a really great step, because if Cardano eventually picks up, people are going to be people will try to find out which exchanges these tokens are available in, and the exposure to LCX will grow, and so will the volume in the future. So a really great article over here. Let's check this out. This is from Samuel Wan, so shout out. Fact checked by Claren Lawler, editor Stefan Trapp. Following Binance's missed opportunity at the Cardano summit, LCX positions itself as the go-to exchange for native tokens. Look at this. Cardano users were left disappointed by Binance. Cardano gets a major boost from LCX. Binance is significantly larger than LCX, obviously. Cardano is often praised for its innovation, security, and reliability, yet it lags behind rivals in liquidity and users at this point. In the lead up to the Cardano summit, investors held hope for a breakthrough as rumors suggested that Binance might list Cardano native tokens, the CNTs. But, however, the fireside chat with Binance CEO Richard Tang passed without any CNT announcement, leaving the community deflated. Who stepped up, stepping in with a welcome boost? The Liechtenstein-based exchange LCX. It has announced plans to list CNTs, demonstrating strong support for the Cardano ecosystem. So this is a win-win situation, in my opinion, for both Cardano and LCX. Cardano will benefit from it as LCX is listing its tokens. Meanwhile, LCX obviously is benefiting from the brand name of Cardano because people know about Cardano. And the potential of Cardano, if it eventually goes on to become even bigger brand than it already is, and these native tokens take off, like the Solana memes, I think LCX is going to be benefiting hugely from it. Look at this. Cardano gets LCX boost. I think that LCX will also get a boost from Cardano in the future. It has the possibility to do it. Following Binance's silence on CNTs, LCX has announced its commitment to growing the Cardano ecosystem with a wave of new listings. LCX, the #1 exchange for Cardano projects. We're celebrating Cardano with a wave of new listings. Just a moment here. The Cardano community is buzzing with excitement, and LCX is proud to be the top choice for Cardano fans. And this is also a really good prospect, because I have seen that the crypto communities and the financial communities, they're really loyal. They remember who supported them in the bad hour. And LCX now listing it, people will know about it. And if people go on and sign up to LCX, and they continue, if they try to buy these projects over here at this point in time, in the future as well, they're going to be using LCX for these Cardano native tokens, the CNTs. So this is great. Look at this. LCX CEO Monty Metzger emphasized LCX's role as the #1 exchange for Cardano projects. This is a bold statement, and really a great one, stating that the platform initially listed popular tokens like SNEC, but is now moving to support other projects as well. Metzger also delivered a solo talk titled "The Crypto Supercycle: Empowering Cardano Startups." We have followed that as well. So this is great. LCX is shaping itself as the leading regulated, this is the key term over here, regulated and compliant exchange for Cardano. This is awesome. Binance obviously is a giant, while the Cardano community welcomes LCX's support. The exchange operates on a much smaller scale than Binance. LCX reported 50,000 users in 2020, a stark contrast to Binance's 200 million users. Imagine if LCX in the future gets even a small chunk of these users. Imagine the price, or imagine the growth. It has the potential growth over here, highlighting the difference in reach and user base. LCX's trading volume reflects this disparity as well, with a 24-hour turnover of just 22 million compared to Binance's massive 14.5 billion daily volume. This is awesome. According to World Economic Forum, LCX aims to become one of the first licensed blockchain banks to bridge traditional finance and crypto. So the licensed approach, regulatory approach, this is what differentiates it from other exchanges and projects as well. On the flip side, the EU has clearer crypto regulations than the US. Binance has been losing market share. The LCX exchange token offers fee reductions and secures access to earned products. Still too early to be comparing it with the likes of Binance, but obviously a contender as well if it continues on to grow. LCX may lack Binance's scale, but championing Cardano creates momentum that bigger exchanges can't ignore. And let's hope that this momentum picks up in the future. And let's hope that this Underdog continues to step up. So, folks, what do you guys think about LCX? Do you think that this Underdog exchange, the Underdog exchange, is stepping up, and will it step up big time in the future as well? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.